performed by the onset of the rainy season, imitating po the movement of a swarming dragonfly in the air, indicates a rain or a strong typhoon po is about to come. Again, weather forecasting for the Aita brothers, because before po there's no electricity, there's no radio, there's no television, they just rely on the swarming dragonfly. That was the indication that there is a typhoon or a rainy season is now approaching. Very simple, but for them, it is very important po. Sir?
Pwede pala sumahid lang si Johnny dito eh.
Sino pong gustong sumabay kay Kuya Greg for the dragonfly dance? Sige po, you can talk here, sir. Pwede niyo pong sabayan si Kuya Greg for the dragonfly dance.
Tol, ano tol?
Sige sir, go! Hinihintay kayo ni Kuya Greg.
Sakit sa likod ko eh.
Sige, go here inside.
Breakdance naman.
Okay, a round of applause. Ano po sa highlight of the Makilan?
Dito sa gawin na to.
Pataas. Kasi di future natin dito. Wag.
Ayan yung mga naka-bright color na shirt.
Namimili na sila kung sino titira.
And actually, that was a bow and arrow po, or what we call pana or palazo. And in their dialect po, they are called as Yao and Bai. And actually, those Aita brothers po, they came from Botolan Sambales tribe. And actually, during weekends po, you will see a lot of Aitas po performing those dance po during animal parade.
Doon eh. Doon na kasi masaya mo sa
Okay, that's it. After mini, but how about the presentation again for around